Pakistani people. Don't repeat Bani Israel mistakes. 9 deadly mistakes of Bani Israel in Quran in 5 minutes. Mistake 1. They did not fulfill their promise to Allah. They did not fear from Allah alone. Mistake 2. They became the first to reject faith therein. They sold Allah's signs for a small price, and did not fear Allah alone. Mistake 3. They covered truth with falsehood. They concealed the truth when they knew. Mistake 4. They did never steadfast in prayer, nor practice regular charity, and never bow down their heads with those who bow down. Mistake 5. They taught right conduct to the people and forgot to practice it themselves. Mistake 6. They did not seek Allah's help with patient perseverance and prayer. Mistake 7. They did never call to mind the special favor of Allah which Allah bestowed upon them. Mistake 8. They do not guard themselves from the alarming day of judgment. Mistake 9. They think they have guards to face punishments from Allah. O Pakistani people, don't repeat Bani Israel mistakes. 9 deadly mistakes of Bani Israel in Quran in 5 minutes.